Two of them here today.
Yeah.
Kind of makes it nice, because usually they go over to WGN's place and refuel.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this is Rob there. Removing all the debris off of the old post office roof. This thing catches on fire all the time. So I guess they, from what the gentleman was telling me here, they're taking all of the debris off, which is the roofing, shingles, flashing, and all that type of stuff. And, you know, it'll be cheaper for them, I guess, so easier for them to move it by helicopter than having someone to carry that down. But in any event, it'll be messed up over here probably all day, so just be careful driving over here. This is Harrison at between CANAL and Franklin. This is Rob. Today is Saturday, November the 12th, 2016. Time is 0900. Who's that chick up there? She a cop?
The one that's in the green vest?
Yeah.
No, she's just one of our guys.
Oh, okay. She works for the city?
No, she works out Midwest.
Okay.
Helicopter place.
All right. Yeah, we have a helicopter pad on a marina right on Halstead right there. I asked them to do when they built the Bridgeport. That's my Captain Jason DePalma owns that.
Why are you guys filming?
Yeah, because I'm going to let Jason know that because we're moving boats today.
No, but what are you filming for?
For him, for my boss.
Oh,
yeah, because we're going to probably move. We took some of our yachts out this week.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, we're at the Goose Island up the tip up there over on Chicago Avenue.
So they're going to start raising these things again?
Yeah. Yeah, and if they're going to put the bridges up, we want to know if it's anything like that.
Yeah. I don't know if we're doing all 300 today.
Oh, wow. It's 300 bags they got to take off of there?
They were talking us being out there 10 hours. So.
10 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Woo! Boy. That's a sky crane, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a Sikorsky.
Yes, Sikorsky, yeah. It's a Russian helicopter.
Yeah.
Boy, how come they make everything big? We used to do shit like that.
That's a badass helicopter.
I know, man. They make those. Sikorsky is one of the biggest helicopter companies in the world.
Supposedly one of the best.
Yeah. Yeah, they you know over there that's what they have. They have the hind and all that other stuff.
So that's two things they do good: vodka and helicopters.
I need some of that. I wonder how come they didn't have put the stuff down the chute. They got a chute running along the building. That orange, isn't that an orange chute right there?
Yeah, that's what that is. But I just think it's because it's too much.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Ain't that something?
Got 20 dumpsters down there, I think.
Oh really? Yeah. Oh, I see right there. Here we go. Yeah, that's something else. That's nice.
Zoom in and zoom out.
You can zoom in by just doing like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how to use this.
Yeah. Oh, I see. They're putting them in the dumpsters as they take them off of the roof, and then they're going to truck them out. Okay, I see that. I see that. So I guess they're doing that. They switch off the helicopters so they can stay fueled. Yeah. I guess the other one guy is going. He went and got his. Got some more fuel.
Up.
Boy, the wind's blowing. Let me see if I can look at a flag here. It's not. It's probably on the 10 knots.
It wasn't that bad when it came out this
Yeah, it's about 10, 15 knots. That's not bad. When the flag is sticking straight out, that's 20 knots or above that. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, it's above 20 knots. Definitely. If you see a flag sticking out at a right angle to the pole,
that's about 22 miles an hour.
23 miles an hour.
23? Okay.
Yeah, that's something we learn in boating. We got to look at that stuff. You know, we don't have wind socks. They got wind socks.
Oh yeah. That don't take much wind for lows, though, right?
No, because it catches it.
That was nice once that sun came up over the building.
Oh, right.
Warmed it up a little bit.
Yeah, folks, this was going to be going on all day, so just be careful coming over here. It's Harrison between CANAL and Franklin. Main post office. This is Rob. Have a great day. Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you. What's your company name again?
Midwest Helicopter.
Midwest Helicopter. All right. Hoorah, baby. And see what they're doing is they're taking the debris off of the roof, and the pilot here is taking those sacks and dumping them into bins, which the railroad is going to pull those out. So there's railroad tracks, Union Pacific tracks, that run underneath the post office. And that's how they're going to evacuate all that stuff. This building is being rehabbed. This is Rob. Saturday morning, November 12th, 2016. It's about 9:15. Have a great day, everyone. God bless you.